Welcome to Jade as well. So you see the new growth. There we go. I want to grow your hair like I grow my hair because it's been a month since I've actually colored the roots. And you've been beauty on the inside for the most of the time. And you see how healthy it is. Growing long, strong. And I wash it about every 2 or 3 days. Anytime I go outside, I wash it. And I'm just, it's everything. My hair is fine. Mia's hair is performing. We're in on the inside. The boys won't let me really practice on them. They won't let me try. So, they're looking a little bit rough. But, that's them. They're going to give it to me soon. My little one let me, practice a little bit, right? But my clippers are not that sharp, to be honest with you. So I have to get sharper clippers, or that I use. Everyone knows that I use my clippers to cut hair, so they're dull. And I just brought the little clipper thing home, so I really need to just invest some boy clippers and some girl clippers, and really get my clipper game on. That's it. I'm just having fun right now with hair. Today is Tuesday, the 14th. Took me so long to come to you all this morning and beauty on the inside because I literally was washing my hair, which is a job. Then I separated it into 4 or 5 sections, blew it out. Now I flat ironed it. We're gonna wear it all straight today. How you like it, guys? Think I did a good job? I hope to do your hair soon. I hope to see you guys soon. I really miss all my clients. I miss you. I really do. I miss interacting and seeing you guys and making you laugh. I hope I'm making you, most people say I'm making them laugh right now, so I hope to get to see you guys soon. But beauty on the inside, we're here, we're alive, we're working, we're staying inside, only going out for groceries. I hope to see you soon. Schedule's open for May 1st right now. If you want anything to get on the schedule, you book. If they push it out even more, I'll push your appointment out. But I'm here. If you want to order your bundles and get ready for installs, free installs, www.iamjadenyc.maven.com. And you just book me at Saucy, and I'm here for you. I'm on all platforms. And on Instagram at iamjadenyc. See ya.